Today I'm going to turn you into a home improvement hero, showing you how to easily clean your roof with a super concentrated cleaner called Spray and Forget. The great thing about this product is there's no scrubbing or rinsing. This little bottle will cover 600 square feet and when attached to a garden hose can spray up to 20 feet. Now if you have a larger area to cover, they do also make it in a gallon jug that you can use in a pump sprayer. Now I've already attached this to a garden hose. What you want to make sure of is that any vegetation that's around the area where you're going to clean, you spray down with water, and with this attachment it will spray just water. You want to go ahead and orient yourself with the sprayer, turn it on, and start spraying. Mother Nature removes stains with subsequent rainfall over the next 3 to 6 months and keeps the stains from returning for years. It's eco-friendly. There's no bleach, lye, acid, phosphates, or heavy metals, and it's 100% biodegradable. And that's it. With Spray and Forget, cleaning your roof is that easy.